Welcome to the International English Language Testing System. This is a mock IELTS speaking test conducted by Maulik English Academy, and this is Isra Sultan Mojumdar. Today I'm our practice examiner. This test is divided into three parts, and in the first part, I will ask you some personal questions and some topic-related questions. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
What's your full name?
My full name is Tasnia Jaman. You can call me Jannat.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm originally from Rajshahi, but now I'm living in Dhaka.
And do you study or work?
I'm studying in 7th standard in Manipur High School and College.
Okay, do you have any hobby?
My hobby is gardening. I think it refreshes my mind.
Okay, so let's move on to the topic related questions. So the first question is, what place do you most like to visit?
The place I would most like to visit is Cox's Bazar because it is the longest sea beach in the world, and I think it's really enjoyable to walking on the sand and see the view of sunset. And it's a really peaceful place for me. Hang out with family is best for me with there.
Okay, so how often do you visit the place?
I often visit the place, like I have gone there once with my family during winter vacation. As you know, Cox's Bazar is the longest sea beach in the world, which is about 120 kilometers long. It's a wonderful experience for me. I hope to go Cox's Bazar in future too.
Okay, why do you like it so much?
I like Cox's Bazar because of the beauty of the nature, and I like to walking on the sand and to enjoy the view of sunset because at the time of sunset the whole sky turns on orange and pink, and also I love Cox's Bazar because of the food. I like to eat seafood a lot, like crabs, fish fries, etc. And by going there, I forget my all stresses and enjoy with my family. I think it's a really enjoyable place.
That sounds good. Is it popular with many other people too?
Yeah, it is really popular with many other people because it is the longest sea beach in the world. Everyone knows that. Every year, thousands of tourists go there. They stay at a hotel and enjoy the view of Cox's Bazar. They can see sunset and eat different kinds of seafoods. The place is really enjoyable for them and also for me also.
Okay, has it changed very much since you first went there, and in what way?
Yeah, there are really changed. Like when I first went there, there were hotels and shops and also restaurants. But now there are many hotels, resorts, and restaurants where people can stay safely. And also the transportation system is really good. We can go right now. We can go there by train, and the road also been improved uh, and there are many activities like beach sports, parasailing, etc. I think these changes made the city more modern.
Okay, that was the end of part one. Let's move on to the part two. In this part, I will give you a topic and you will have to talk about the topic for 1 to 2 minutes, and you have 1 minute to think about the topic. You can also make some notes if you want. Here is a pen and a paper and also your topic. So It's your 1 minute time is over. Now you can tell me about the topic.
Okay, one useful website I have visited is YouTube. As you know, by using YouTube, people can upload many types of videos and photos, and we can watch many videos on different topics. I use YouTube because for my study, and there are many educational videos like science, math, English, and many subjects also. This is a really useful website for me because YouTube gives us also entertainment. We can see many videos and drama and also movies that gives us entertainment, and it's a really useful website for both learning and entertain. And I found this website from my friends and teachers. They mention it when they talk about the learning videos, and I use it regularly for my study. When I see it many times on Google when I search for my study topic, and also um, I really like this website because it helps me in many ways when I do my school's project and assignment. It helps me in many ways, and it helps also very much. So I think this is a useful and helpful website for me.
That's great. May I have the topic back,
Of
please?
course.
Yes, that was the end of part two. Let's move on to part three. What effect has the internet had on the way people generally communicate with each other?
There are many effects that generally people communicate with each other. Some effects like faster communication by using internet, we can connect with people in many ways. We can send text and many kinds of videos and photos. The second effect is more ways to connect on the internet. By connecting with internet, we can talk with each other very properly by audio call and video call. I think internet made it really easy, made the communication really easier and faster.
That's good. Why do you think the internet is being used more and more for communication?
Internet is used more and more for communication because it offers us many advantages, and also it very faster, quicker. By using this, we can communicate with people in fast way and quicker. That's it.
Okay. How reliable do you think information from the internet is? Why? And what about the news on the internet?
I think the information of the internet can be reliable and unreliable, can both, because some officially government channels like BBC and some national channels gives us the accurate updates, and some websites that gives us the misleading and wrong information that spreads really quickly. I think we have to be careful to see the news on the internet. Trusted news websites like BBC and national news channels, I try to check trustable website, and it gives me the correct update. That's it.
Okay. Why do you think some people use the internet for shopping and why doesn't everyone use it in this way?
Mainly internet or the shopping used younger people. They always use to the internet shopping for any kind of product, like they can order it in easier way, and the product is delivered at their home, and also they can see the review of the product, and it saves time. But everyone doesn't like it, especially senior person. Like they prefer to see the product, touch and try the product, and it's not popular to everyone in the shopping on the internet.
Okay. What kind of things are easy to buy and sell online? Can you give me some examples?
There are many things that are easy to buy and sell in the online, and which product that we don't need to send. For example, dress and shoes, and also home tools like kitchen tools and furniture, many kinds of furniture. And also tickets. We can buy tickets on the online, like concert tickets, movie tickets, and also traveling around the world. So this all digital right now.
That's good. Do you think shopping on the internet will be more or less popular in the future? Why?
I think shopping on the internet will be more popular in the future because it's a really faster way to shopping, and by use the shopping on the internet like online shopping, we can save many times. No need to wait for a long line, and no need to travel around the world, around our house and many roads. So I think it's yeah. I think this. Sorry, I think shopping on the internet will be more popular in the future.
Okay, that was the end of part 3 and also your speaking test.